You're good. You're good. Three, good. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right. All the barbell skills that we practiced throughout your first 9 sessions, we're gonna put them all together today. Let's start with the deadlift. 3 repetitions of our deadlift. Nice. There you go. Push those hips forward at the top. Good. And nice. All right. Now I want you to take that barbell. Is it from the floor?
From the floor.
Okay. From the floor. Clean the bar all the full squat clean? Or is it power clean?
Clean.
Okay. All right, full squat cleans. Awesome. Very nice. One more. All right, keeping that bar there in the rack position. Let's see 3 front squats. Good. All right, we're going to start with our press. 3 shoulder press. Very nice. Hands back, head all the way through. Good. One more. All right, push press. 3 push press. Good. Awesome. Push and jerk. 3 push and jerk. There you go. Good receive that time. Do you have
Back squat, ready for the back squat.
from the third one here?
Yep.
Do you have them come down to the
Yep.
back? Okay, so I need to say that before the third one happens. Gotcha.
Put you on the
All
spot,
right.
Josh.
What's that?
Put you on the spot.
Yeah, okay. All right. 3 back squats. Nice. Turn those wrists, your legs up a little bit. There you go. All right. With that same grip there, I want you to dip, drive, and press that bar up overhead, lock it up overhead. 3 overhead squats. Nice. Awesome. Go ahead and bring that bar down the waist. Nice. And all right, with that same snatch grip, we have 3 power snatches from position 1, just above the knees. Or is that position 2? Just above?
Position 1's up, right?
Position
High
1's
hang.
Mid thigh. Okay, not from the hang.
Okay, Zoe, I want you to